Hello, my name is Frank Ravia. I'm the Director of Financial Aid here at CCS. We will be going over the financial aid process and how it relates to attending CCS. Topics we will discuss include what is financial aid, the cost of attendance, expected family contribution, what is financial need, the categories, types, and sources of financial aid, and the free application for federal student aid. What is financial aid? Financial aid consists of funds such as scholarships, grants, work study, and loans provided to students and families to help pay for post-secondary educational expenses. Financial aid is used to help offset the expenses while attending CCS. What is cost of attendance? The cost of attendance includes direct costs such as tuition and fees, housing, and meal plan. Indirect costs include books and supplies, travel expenses, and miscellaneous. Both the direct and indirect costs combined equal the cost of attendance. The cost of attendance is the amount that CCS believes may cost to attend CCS. What is the expected family contribution? The EFC is the amount a family can reasonably be expected to contribute. It stays the same regardless of what college the student attends, and it combines two components on the FAFSA, which include the parent contribution as well as the student contribution. Based off of the information reported on the FAFSA, CCS will determine your EFC and how it relates to the need-based aid you will be receiving. What is financial need? Financial need is the cost of attendance minus the expected family contribution would equal the financial need. The higher the financial need, the more likelihood of receiving institutional need-based aid. Categories of financial aid include need-based aid, such as Pell, SCOG, CCS Grant, Michigan Tuition Grant, and other institutional aid. Non-need-based aid includes merit scholarships, such as CCS Scholarship, Presidential Scholarship, and outside scholarship. Both the need-based and non-need-based aid do not need to be repaid back. Types of financial aid include scholarships, grants, loans, and employment. A combination of these will give a holistic financial aid package. Scholarships are funds that do not need to be repaid back. Merit scholarships are awarded on both merit, scale, or unique characteristics. 98% of our students do receive merit scholarships. All applicants who apply to CCS are reviewed for merit scholarships based on artistic and academic achievement, and there is no separate application needed. Grants are funds that do not need to be repaid back. They are usually awarded on the basis of financial need. 78% of our students receive grant aid as well. Loans are money students and parents can borrow to help pay for educational expenses. Repayment normally begins 6 months after the student graduates. We encourage that students and families only borrow what is needed. Students have the option of borrowing from the federal loan system or the private student loan system, which includes private student loans. Employment allows students to earn money to help pay for educational costs. Employment opportunities exist while attending CCS, and we highly encourage students apply to our job postings listed on the Blackboard website. Students would simply apply to a job of their interest and would be interviewed for the position. We highly encourage students to seek supplemental income by applying for these positions. Sources of financial aid include the federal government, states, CCS funded, private sources, civic organizations, and churches, as well as employers. We highly encourage students to also apply for outside scholarship resources via private searches. All additional scholarships awarded to students will never decrease their merit scholarships earned during the admission process. Master of Fine Art students are also eligible to complete a FAFSA. In addition to their scholarships and grants the student is receiving, master students will also be able to receive an additional unsub awards and Grad Plus loans as well. CCS scholarships and awards. Applicants to CCS are automatically considered once they complete their admission requirements. They are based on the student's portfolio review and academic achievement. The amount can range student by student, as each student has a different academic portfolio ability. Recipients must maintain a minimum cumulative GPA of 2.5 to continue receiving these scholarships. Scholarships are awarded to a student each year. However, a student cannot petition for additional awards. Scholastic Art Scholarships are for high school seniors who win a gold or silver medal at the national level. These are art-based competitions where students would compete. A national gold medal would earn $2,000 for the next 4 years, and a national silver medal would earn $1,000 per the next 4 years. CCS Tuition Grant is institutionally funded need-based grant program. As stated earlier, the higher the need, the higher likelihood of receiving a CCS tuition grant. The free application for federal student aid is a set of data that includes the student's demographics, financial information, as well as household size. Based off of the FAFSA, it would calculate at EFC. The EFC would then be used to calculate the student's need-based financial aid. Colleges use EFC to award financial aid, and the EFC remains the same regardless of which college the student attends. The FAFSA could be completed October 1st of the upcoming academic award year and would use what is called the prior year tax information. So for a student planning to begin in the fall of 19, a student would complete the 1920 FAFSA and would utilize the 2017 income taxes rather than the 2018. FAFSA on the web exists so that students can complete the form online. There's also a new recently launched mobile app that could have the form completed via a student's smartphone. Current high school seniors and their parents are encouraged to contact the financial aid office via email at finaid@College for Creative Studies or phone at 313-664-7495. We also encourage students and families to come visit the financial aid office in person. We are open Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4:30, with no appointment necessary, in order to discuss your financial situation and have the best meet your needs. Thank you.